Hi everyone. We are going to be working on our spelling. Today is Monday, December 7th. So you should be looking at your spelling packet for Unit 2, Week 5. And the dates are December 7th through the 11th. And we talked about our spelling pattern in our reading lesson today. And our spelling pattern this week are three-letter blends. And what a blend is when you take two or more letters and put them together to make a new sound. For example, SCR makes the skr sound like we hear in scratch and scrape. And SPR is the sound like we hear in spring. And STR we hear in stripe and strange. And SPL is the sound we hear at the beginning of splash and split. THR we hear in thrown. And SHR we hear in shrub and shred. So this page is for you to take a practice spelling test at home whenever you have time this week. And today we are going to be working on this page. It is page 47 in the packet. So have that out, and we're going to go through this together. If at any time I'm going too fast, you can pause the video and get caught up, and then unpause it to keep going. So we have our spelling words, and go ahead and try to read them with me. Scratch, scrape, spring, thrown, stripe, strange, shred, shrub, splash, and split. Now, this word here, thrown, that is the kind of throne that a king or queen sits on. They sit on their throne. It's not thrown like something you do with a ball, okay? It's a different meaning for that spelling of the word throne. Look at the spelling word in the box. Match each spelling word to a word below that begins with the same three-letter blend. Look at the words on the lines. So we have, write the words on the lines. Scrape. So we're going to look at these and we're going to match the spelling word to a word that begins with the same three-letter blend. So we're looking for SCR, scrap. That says scrap. So we could put scratch, because there's the SCR, SCRATCH. And you see another one? That's right, scrape. Looks a lot like this one. This says scrap, but this has the magic E, so it becomes scrape. SCRAPE. All right, next we have the sample word strap with STR, strap. Do you see a word from our spelling list that starts with STR? That's right, stripe. STRIPE, stripe. And we need another one. Strange, that's correct, strange. STRANGE, strange. This says splint, and it starts with SPL. Do you see a spelling word that starts with that same blend, SPL? That's right, we have splash. SPLASH, splash. And you see the other one? Split. That's correct. SPLIT, split. Now we have shrug, SHR. Do you see a spelling word that starts with SHR? Very good. Shred. Like I will shred the paper into bits. Shred. S-H-R-E-D. Look, it has the word red hidden in it. And you see the other? Shrub. Yes. S-H-R-U-B. And if you're wondering what a shrub is another word for a small little bush like you might have in your front yard. Next we have sprint. Sprint. S-P-R. And there we have the word spring. S-P-R-I-N-G. Spring. And this kind of spring isn't the season, because the season spring would start with an uppercase S. This is spring like when you jump up in the air, I will spring up in the air. Or it can be that little metal thing that you can kind of squeeze together, a little spring. All right, thrill, T-H-R. Well, we only have one word left. Throne. That's that special seat for the king or the queen to sit on. T-H-R-O-N-E. And it's T-H-R, and then we have the word one hidden in there. Okay, now at the bottom, we're going to do missing letters. A letter is missing from each spelling word below. Write the missing letter in the box. Then write the spelling word correctly on the line. So let's see here. We have S-P blank A-S-H. Let's look up there and see. You're right. That should be the word splash. So the L is missing. S-P-L-A-S-H. Okay, number 2 starts with a T, and we only have one spelling word that starts with a T. T blank R-O-N-E. That's right, throne. So it's the H that is missing. T-H-R-O-N-E. Throne. Number 13. Shub. S-H blank U-B. Take a look up at the top. Let's see, we have S-H here. There it is, shrub. So the R is missing. S-H-R-U-B. Number 14, scratch. That should be scratch. So S-C-R-A-T-C-H. S-C-R-A-T-C-H. And the last one, shred. Shred. There we go. We're missing the H. S-H-R-E-D. Very good. So now if you need to catch up, this is a good spot to hit pause and finish up your work. Remember, when you're done, you're going to send me a picture on Seesaw. Good job.